Hi everybody, nice to see you. We're going to do some chocolate chip cookies today. I've got Danny helping me, so hello to you all. First of all, we're going to spray our units with our anti-bac. Right, now we're going to put that away, we're going to wash our hands. So Danny's already done them. People that come in the cookery room, you know it's happy birthday twice in your head, washing your hands in between your fingers.
Well, I'm not going to sing happy birthday twice.
Because Danny's already done it, it's just showing you that he is washing his hands. Cookie recipe, I know lots of you've made it. Some of you cannot eat chocolate, so if you want to substitute chocolate for coconut or currants, it's up to you. A bit of food colouring, a bit of food flavouring, it's entirely up to you. What we've done, because I know not everybody, including a lot of staff, don't have scales, so what we've done is we've measured them out in cups. So what we'll do, we'll show you. We've used the same size mugs, cups, whatever you want to call them. It's only 4 ingredients this. Our 4th ingredient is chocolate chips. What we've done is, you can buy them in the supermarkets or the home baking aisles. They're in a packet and they're already weighed out. 100 grams already, but we've weighed them out because, as you all know, we have the catering. So what Danny's going to do is he's going to mix his sugar and butter into the bowl first.
Get it all out. There it is. Stuck in the bottom a little bit.
You'll notice Danny's not got an apron on. Lots of us don't have aprons at home, so what I would suggest is make sure whatever you're cooking with is nice and clean. Don't be out in your jackets and then come in to cook. Want to keep as few germs as we can. Now lots of you do this with the mixer at school. Now I know, again, a lot of you don't know, haven't got a mixer. So what Danny's demonstrating is he's creaming it. He wants his butter and sugar to go light and fluffy. He's going to mix it all together. And then if you look, colour slightly, it's gone lighter. What he's going to do is going to add his flour. Now the recipe says sieve. Again, not everybody's got a sieve. So we're going to show you that this works without sieving it. All the sieve does is get rid of any lumps and get some air in. So he's going to go round and down the middle with this to get all the flour from underneath.
Is it a folding technique?
Yeah, notice he's doing it nice and gently. Now he's just calmed down, he's not going as rigorous.
I have to have the mixing like that with my arms.
You're shattered.
I am, yeah.
And as that's going to get together as a ball, this is where you add your extra ingredient, add your chocolate chips, your coconut, your cherries, your currants, or you could just have them plain. And then we're going to eventually get a ball.
Get in there. There we go.
Want these added?
Yeah.
Ready? Go for it.
There we go. Can you get your hands in eventually? Yeah.
You don't need to, it does go together. I mean, some of the pupils do like putting it in. It depends whether you like touching it or not, but it will
like
go.
Cookie dough, isn't it?
Yeah, it's what it is. It's a cookie dough,
yeah,
and it will go together. It doesn't take long. It's taken down a matter of a couple of minutes to get to that stage. And that should go into a ball.
This one. Done.
Right, what you're going to do now, Danny, you've got 2 trays. You're going to give them a grease, please. Bit of butter.
Why do we grease them?
Why do you think we grease them? Do you know the answer, or are you asking the question?
I'm asking the question.
We're greasing them so that the biscuits don't stick. They're easier to lift off.
There you go. Done.
Right, what you're going to do now, Danny, these will spread out. So you're going to get a small amount in your hand of your dough. And you're just going to roll it, palm of your hand, flatten it on your tray. Keep it away from the edge because it will spread out. Beautiful. Try and get them all about the same size so that they don't burn. You don't want some raw and some burnt. Lovely. Okay, and depending what size you've done them, depends how many you get. So there's on the recipe, it doesn't tell you how many biscuits you're going to get, because obviously, depending how big you want them, if you're going to share them out with a family, then you obviously want to share them, make sure you've got enough. So what we're going to do now, the oven's on 180, which is gas mark 6 if you're on gas, and they're going to go in for about 15 minutes. You alright, Danny, do you want to open it?
That should be right.
If you're not allowed to use the oven, get somebody that you live with to help you.
Which one you want it on?
Both, 2 trays, yeah. And they're in for 15 minutes, which gives you time to now clear up. Once you've finished with the oven, what Danny's done is turned it off. Obviously we need to keep the heat off. What you need to do is straight away loosen the cookies on the tray. If you've got a fish slice, fine. If not, a normal knife will do. Get your oven gloves, hold your tray and loosen. What we want to do is make sure they don't stick. What will happen is if we try and pick them up straight away, they're very soft and they will break. So we need to leave them in the air for a couple of minutes just to crisp up, and then we're able to lift them up.